Okay, so let's look a little bit at the shoulder capsule. Everybody just follow me. Okay, this is your shoulder capsule, right? And this is your bone that goes in it, okay? And when it's tight, it's going to restrict the movement of, right, of rotating. Forward, backwards, circle, all of that. So when you're sleeping on it, do you think you're jamming this? You are totally jamming this even tighter. So now it's going to get harder to move, right? So the movements that open the capsule are something like this. You see, you just take your arm and you just dangle it. Yeah. Can you imagine that would do that, right? Gravity is pulling that arm out of the socket a little bit, and then the other one. So think about that when it gets tight. That might be doing, you know, that might be doing that. And then the other one could be also stretching across like this, right? That one's good. That one works on the impingement of the shoulder, and then you just cross the other way. Yeah. As long as you get this out, shoulder. She killed a bug right now. Yeah, and then all the way. Good.
No big deal.
Good.
What was it?